good day. Welcome to our Facebook page and to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to answer these questions from my messenger. Daming nagtatanong kung ano ang requirements para makapag-apply ng board exam. Paano ang application? Walk-in ba? Online ba? Kailan ang board exam? Saan magaganap ang board exam? So please watch the video and share it with your friends na magte-take, yung mga first timers na magte-take ng board exam para sa agriculture. So, please watch the full video. Okay? Our board exam will be on November 12, 13, and 14. That will be 3 days. And it will be conducted in the 4 regional testing centers, NCR, sa Baguio, sa Cebu, and Davao. Sir, question, tanong lang po. Saan po sa NCR? Saan po sa Baguio? Saan po sa Cebu? Saan po sa Davao ang exact venue ng exam? To answer it, the exact venue will be sent to you by the PRC through email address 1 week or as soon as the application ends or 1 week before the board exams. Please provide or please use your active email address sa pag-fill up ng mga forms during your online appointment as well as on your LERIS account. Okay? Ngayon, wala pang exact location, exact venue, but ito yung places for the regional testing centers sa NCR, sa Baguio, Cebu, and Davao. There po ba? Then, the application starts from August 12 to October 14. Then, the target date of release of exam result will be on November 22. Sir, paano mag-apply ng board exam? To apply for board exam, kailangan gumawa kayo ng inyong LERIS account para makapag-online appointment kayo sa PRC. Okay, paano gumawa ng LERIS account? Search this link, online.prc.gov.ph, and after that, lalabas na yung LERIS. Then, click LERIS. Ito yung lalabas. Swipe it down hanggang makita nyo yung register and sign in. Sa mga first timers, mag-register muna kayo, then sign in. After nyo makapag-register, please provide the information being asked. Then, click sign in. Lalabas na yung profile account nyo sa LERIS. Soon, I will be sharing a video paano mag-online appointment sa PRC. But today, ito muna yung i-prepare nyo na requirements para dalhin nyo during your online appointment sa PRC to your nearest PRC office. Okay? Ito yung mga requirements. First and foremost, dapat na-take nyo yung 6 major subjects, yung general course. Ito yung 6 major subjects: crop science, soil science, animal science, crop protection, ag-econ, agricultural extension, and communication. So, just screenshot this. Ito yung mga topics. Dito sila kukuha ng mga tanong sa board exam natin. And each subject consists of 200 items. Okay? Each subject consists of 200 items, a total of 600 items for 3 days. Ito yung board exam natin. 600 items. Today, start na kayo mag-review. Ito yung mga topics. Dito sila kukuha ng mga tanong during your board exam. Next requirements is PSA birth certificate. If your PSA birth certificate is not clear or malabo yung Xerox or yung original, please bring with you your original birth certificate. Again, if your PSA birth certificate is not clear, malabo yung birth certificate or PSA birth certificate nyo, please bring with you your original, again, original birth certificate. And para sa mga married female applicants, bring with you your PSA marriage contract. Then next, transcript of records with scanned picture and my remarks na for board examination purposes. Okay? So, kapag kukuha kayo ng TOR nyo sa inyong register, tell them na for board examination purposes only. Okay? Para mailagay nila sa remarks for board examination purposes. Then, 2. Certificate of good moral character from any two of the following, either from school, barangay, church, and employer. Next, these are the additional requirements. Please have with you your passport size ID with complete name tag in white background. Complete name tag in white background and documentary stamp. You can buy this sa BIR. And sa ibang PRC naman, they are selling documentary stamp as well as the window mailing envelope. Ito yung style ng window mailing envelope. Then kapag wala kayong makuha na documentary stamp at window mailing envelope sa PRC, during the actual board examination naman, they are selling documentary stamp and window mailing envelopes. For government employees naman na magte-take ng board exam, you should have ombudsman clearance. Then, sa mga nag-fail ng 3 times sa board exam, kailangan may 6 months refresher course. Sa mga first-timers, please do your best para makapasa kayo agad kasi mahirap kapag bumagsak kayo ng 3 pesos. Kailangan mag-take kayo ng 6 months refresher course. Then sa payment naman, yung payment natin is 900 pesos for the complete and 450 pesos for the condition or removal. So, payment process will be during your online appointment sa PRC through GCash, Land Bank, and others. And that's all for today. Please do your best. God bless on your journey.